Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Okay. Today I am going to teach kinds of preposition. Okay. There is two parts already completed. Part 1, preposition part 1 and part 2, and today we are going to make part 3. Okay. So let us study about kinds of preposition. Okay, dear friends. See, preposition. The kinds of preposition. There are three kinds of preposition. There are three kinds of preposition. Number A, simple preposition. Okay. Under simple preposition, at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, of, with. And B, compound preposition. Second is compound preposition. So second is compound preposition. Second is compound preposition. So under compound preposition, first, which are generally formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. So under compound preposition, about, across, ever, along, among, amongst, around, below, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside, within, without, amidst, beneath, behind, underneath. Okay. And after that, number third, phrase preposition. So under phrase preposition, they are following the first group of words used with the in force of, and group of words used with the force of a single preposition. Under phrase preposition, according to, by dint of, in case of, by virtue of, owing to, with reference to, in course of, on behalf of, agreeably to, by means of, for the sake of, in favor of, away from, in place of, in regard to, in the event of, with regard to, with reference to, with an eye to, in instead of, in spite of, in comparison to, in consequence of. Okay, etc. So there are three kinds of preposition: simple preposition, compound preposition, and phrase preposition. So under simple preposition, and under compound preposition, and under phrase preposition. Okay, which type of preposition come under simple, phrase, and compound? And after that I will discuss. We will discuss with Hindi. Okay, with Hindi, and with explanation. With explanation, just it's an at. So at means me, per. Okay, it's an at means me, per. Okay, at means me, per. So where to use at, and in which situation we have to use at, we will discuss tomorrow in next video. Okay. And phrase preposition, according to, according to, that means it's Hindi के अनुसार. Okay, के अनुसार. So where to use according to, and which situation we have to use according to. So we will discuss about this tomorrow in next video. and after we will discuss with explanation and with an example. Okay, students, so you have to note this kinds of preposition. Yes, you have to note there are three kinds, and under simple preposition, under compound, under phrase preposition, you have to note only. Yeah, I will tell you ऑल हिंदी. ओके, इन सभी का मैं आपको हिंदी बता दूंगा. जैसे एट मीन्स में हो गया, बाय मीन्स के द्वारा होता है, फॉर मीन्स के लिए, फ्रॉम मीन्स से, इन मीन्स में, ठीक है. ऑफ मीन्स का के की, फिर ऑफ डबल ऑफ इसका अलग अर्थ होता है. ऑन पर होता है, ठीक है. आउट बाहर, थ्रू के द्वारा, टिल तक, अभी तक, टू की ओर होता है, अप ऊपर, विथ के साथ. तो इन सभी का मैं हिंदी के साथ इसको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा और आप लोगों को समझ में भी आ जाएगा. तो आप लोगों को इंग्लिश ग्रामर में प्रीपोजिशन ये पार्ट 3rd वीडियो रहेगा, आप लोग इसको मेक कर लेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ गुड डे.